Thank you for choosing Bella Premier Railing. Made from an engineered PVC composite material that won't absorb moisture and reduces the rattles and squeaks commonly associated with vinyl railing. Bella Premier railings offer attractive options like hidden bracket hardware, LED lighting, and composite deck boards for the top rail, creating a handy, flat-top rail perfect for entertaining. Bella Premier Level Rail Installation Instructions. Closely follow post-install kit installation instructions or use a post sleeve on an existing wood post and ensure all rail posts are properly blocked and supported to meet local code requirements. If using a 4x4 post sleeve, install the one-piece base trim over the post sleeve before installing the rails. For a 5x5 post sleeve, a two-piece base trim may be installed before or after installation. For 36-inch high rails, cut the dovetail template as needed and place template against post sleeve directly on top of the trim collar and secure in place with a rubber band. With a 1/8-inch drill bit, pre-drill the holes for the top and bottom brackets. Remove template. Use 2-inch screws to attach top dovetail attachment brackets to post sleeve. If using steel surface mount post kit, screws must penetrate the steel insert. Use 1 1/4-inch screws to attach bottom dovetail attachment bracket. Place bottom rail across post opening, leaving equivalent spacing from the last baluster and post on each end. Mark 1/2 inch from end of post on each side of rail to allow room for bracket width and expansion. Align top rail with bottom rail and cut both rails with miter box or hacksaw. Locate and mark the center point on the underside of the bottom rail. Attach the rail support to the bottom rail using the supplied set screw. Lay bottom rail on a clean, smooth surface and snap balusters into routed holes. Then repeat the process to connect the top rail. Slide brackets onto ends of rails, top and bottom. Slide assembled rail section straight down between both posts and onto each dovetail attachment bracket. Pre-drill all 4 holes with a 5/32 drill bit for each bracket. Install 4 2-inch screws through the bottom of the top rail brackets into handrail. Install the first 2 screws at 45 degrees through the brackets into the post, starting with the dimples on the bottom of the top rail bracket. Install the next 2 screws straight at 90 degrees through the pre-drilled holes in the bottom of the bracket. Place the post cap in place on top of the post. Bella Premier Stair Rail Installation Instructions. Closely follow post-install kit installation instructions, or use a post sleeve on an existing wood post and ensure all rail posts are properly blocked and supported to meet local code requirements. If using a 4x4 post sleeve, install the one-piece base trim over the post sleeve before installing the rails. For 5x5 post sleeves, a 2-piece base trim may be installed before or after installation. Temporarily secure a deck board to your stair treads to determine the spacing between the nose of the stairs and your bottom rail. Place bottom rail on board and center the routed baluster holes between posts, making sure to leave equal distance from baluster holes to post on both top and bottom rails. Mark the bottom rail using inside edge of posts. Transfer the marked railing to the chop saw and measure the angle. Set saw and record angle. Do not cut at this time. From the original line on the railing, created by the post, make a new mark 11/16 of an inch on the inside of the bottom rail, closer to the baluster holes. This is accomplished by using the angle template. Then set the template at the new mark and create a new line. This new line will create an angle of 32 degrees. This additional removal of material will allow for bracket clearance when the rail is installed. For this 31 to 33 degree angle, the new line will be parallel to the previously drawn line. Transfer the newly marked railing to the chop saw. Set the chop saw at 32 degrees. Cut the bottom rail on the new line at a 32 degree angle. Place top rail flat on table. Lay the cut bottom rail on top of the top rail, with the routed holes facing in the same direction. Line up the routes. Mark the top rail to the top edge of the rail, using the bottom rail and a straight edge as a guide. Make sure to extend the line out at an angle to the edge of the rail. Mark line on the bump of bottom of the top rail on angle, not straight down. Cut the top rail to the lines using the chop saw set at 32 degrees. Make sure bottom of rails are flush against saw fence. Place brackets on bottom rail, securing with 2 screws per bracket, number 10 by 1 inch. Then place brackets on top rail, securing with 1 screw per bracket, number 10 by 1 inch. Set chop saw to actual stair angle and carefully cut all 4 brackets. Cut smallest amount of bracket possible to get the correct angle on bracket. Feather to edge. Once the brackets have been cut to the proper angle, remove the screws from underneath the rails holding the brackets to the rails. This allows the rails to float in the brackets during assembly. Assemble stair railing section by snapping balusters in rails. Place assembled stair rail between posts on spacer board. Make sure rail brackets are centered on posts. Drive 2 number 10 by 2 inch mounting screws into brackets and into posts, starting with the bottom rail. Repeat for each bracket. 2 screws, number 10 by 1 inch per bracket, are driven under the top rail. Holes are angled to allow extension bit to clear balusters. Place the post cap in place on top of the post. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your new Bella Premier railing.